Hi YouTube, welcome back. I'm Josephine and this channel is all about fitness. Thank you guys for those of you that have already subscribed. For those of you that are new, kindly subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give a like, a thumbs up, and click the notification bell for more videos like this. Today is all about the immune system. We are going to focus about the immune system, what we put inside our body. So today we're going to make a lovely and a healthy drink. So let's go and do it. Let's go. Thanks for watching. Of course, the ginger, citron, lime, cayennepeper, honey. This is from the mountain in Norway. They are organic. And then turmeric with, of course, the blender and a bit of water on it. Normally I don't like to peel off the skin of the ginger because there's a lot of nutrients is on the skin of it, you know. So I've already washed it, guys. So this is just a bit I'll do today. And of course I'm going to blend it now. Of course, the ginger, citron, lime, cayennepeper, honey. This is from the mountain in Norway. They are organic. And then turmeric with, of course, the blender and a bit of water on it. Normally I don't like to peel off the skin of the ginger because there's a lot of nutrients is on the skin of it, you know. So I've already washed it, guys. So this is just a bit I'll do today. And of course I'm going to blend it now. Ginger. Take your time before the whole junk will be on it. Just get a bit of it. So this one also is very good when you have this in the morning, first thing in the morning after washing your mouth. To be honest with you, you will feel it yourself. It's very healthy and good to go. You know, instead of you buying it in the shops, you can't do it yourself at home. Yeah. So this is the juice of the ginger. There's a lot in here. And then you have I blend the lime and the citron also on it. A half teaspoon of cayenne. A teaspoon of turmeric. First thing in the morning, it helps greatly. And then my organic honey. Yes. We're going to combat the body with so much good stuff in it early in the morning. When you've just washed your mouth, give this a shot. This is it. You have to stir it for the honey to melt a bit, or for it to dissolve. So that's it. Cheers to a healthy drink to boost your immune system. Cheers.